Here I am at the premium outlet, surrounded by the hustle and bustle of Black Friday shoppers. The energy here is electric. People are hunting for deals, arms loaded with bags, and the holiday spirit is everywhere. But as I walk through this sea of excitement, I can't help but wonder, how did all this begin? Let's explore the story behind Black Friday, one of the most anticipated shopping days of the year.
All trying.
I can count. Why is this big?
As I stroll past these stores, I think about how it all started. Did you know Black Friday's origins go back nearly a century? It all began with the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade in 1924, which signaled the start of holiday shopping. Back then, the day after Thanksgiving wasn't called Black Friday yet, but it was already a big deal for retailers. Take a look at this line. It's wild, right? Back in the 1960s, police in Philadelphia started calling the day Black Friday because of the chaos it brought. Packed streets, crowded stores, and a shopping frenzy. It wasn't exactly a term of endearment, but the meaning of Black Friday changed in the 1980s. Retailers began using it as a way to highlight when they went from being in the red, meaning losses, to being in the black, turning a profit. It was a clever marketing move that turned chaos into celebration. It's amazing to see how far Black Friday has come. Did you know that last year, Americans spent over $9 billion online in just one day? And in-store sales hit over $20 billion. Looking at these sold-out signs, it's clear that the shopping craze is still going strong. I even overheard someone say they lined up before dawn to snag a deal. That's dedication. It reminds me of the frenzy in the 1990s when toys like Tickle Me Elmo became so popular that people literally fought over them. Black Friday sure brings out some wild stories. Black Friday isn't just a US phenomenon anymore. Walking through here, I hear different languages and see people visiting from all over the world. Countries like Canada, the UK, and even Brazil have embraced the tradition. It's become a global event. I'm reminded of how much this day means to so many people. Whether it's about scoring the best deals, starting the holiday season, or just soaking in the excitement, there's something magical about it. What about you? Do you shop on Black Friday or do you stay far away from the crowds? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you next time.